Hi, this is Leland Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Toyota 86, stock number 7006. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front aftermarket 17-inch wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, rear boot lid, right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,